A while back, I checked out the MelGeek Horus on my channel, which, by the way, really solid mouse. This thing right here comes in at $120 USD, and you're getting top of the line performance. 8000 Hz polling rate, Pixar 3950 sensor, 50 grams, lightweight design, just great build quality and really solid coding and really satisfying clicks as well. And as an added bonus, the receiver just looks really cool. And yeah, I really had no complaints about this mouse whatsoever when I was reviewing it. It's a pretty safe shape. I would say it's a medium to large mouse, and I was able to comfortably palm, fingertip, and claw this mouse. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed using the Horus. Which is why I was pretty excited when MelGeek reached out and offered to send me their Evangelion collaboration Horus. And I am low-key a huge weeb, so anything anime related, I'm all for. Granted, I haven't actually seen Evangelion. It's like one of those older animes that obviously I've heard of, but never really got around to watching. But like the fact that this is even a thing is so sick. If you're an Evangelion fan, I would imagine this is way more hype for you. Even just the packaging looks great. I have here the Asuka version and the Rei version. And as part of the collaboration, they also have matching mouse pads, but today I'm only going to be looking at the mice. But yeah, let's get these things open so that we can just take a look at them because the packaging looks absolutely incredible. And obviously you're getting the same performance, same everything from the Horus, just with a paint of coat on it for this collaboration. If you guys do want to watch my full review of the Horus, by the way, I'll leave that linked in the description below. So yeah, let's start here with the Asuka version. Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks so good. The red colorway, orange side buttons. That's what the bottom looks like right there. Here's the branding on the right side of the mouse. What a beautiful looking mouse. The scroll wheel too is orange. There you go. You have the MelGeek X Evangelion on the left side, as well as Asuka's name right here written on the back. Same grip feeling as the original Horus, so you're not compromising on the grip feel at all. Same switches here as well. Very nice and tactile. Very little side play as you can see there, and very little post and pre-travel. The side buttons are nice and clicky as well. Like I said, it's literally just the Horus with a new paint job and different aesthetic. The wireless receiver here is exactly the same as you would get with the black version. There's really no change here. But like I said, this is a very nice looking receiver. When you have this thing plugged in, there's a bunch of different RGB effects that you can apply to it. And you can also make it tell you if your battery life is low too, which is really nice. And in the box, you get this USB-C to USB-A cable, which is braided. And everything else is exactly the same as the original. You get grip tape, skates, all that good stuff in the box. And the sticker as well if you want to put that on the bottom to cover up the holes. But yeah, man, what a nice looking mouse. If you're an Evangelion fan, I'm sure this would hit. Like, I would be hella hyped if this was like a free run theme. I couldn't even imagine. I feel like that's what the feeling would be like. But yeah, man, beautiful mouse. The Horus, in my opinion, was already a really good looking mouse, but this collaboration looks really, really nice. Alright, now let's move on to the Rei. These are like the ultimate showpiece mice. If you're like a mouse enthusiast and you're just a collector, these are definitely something that you want to have on your desk. So yeah, the wireless receiver here remains the same. This is the white version that you get with the regular white Horus, but the mouse, here is the Rei. Not as drastic compared to the Asuka, but still follows that same theme. Very nice. It's not as bold as the red, but you can tell it's still themed. You get the light blue on these side buttons. Scroll wheel here as well. Fantastic mice, and of course these are all compatible with MelGeek's web-based software, which is great. You don't have to download anything onto your computer. MelGeek has fantastic web-based software for their Horus mice. Alright, speaking of the web-based software, let's go over it really quickly. Just a quick overview. If you guys want a super in-depth dive, you can check out my original review video. MelGeek has fantastic web-based software. I've low-key been glazing their web-based software for a while now, just because it's so intuitive and user-friendly. But yeah, here you can do your basic remapping. You can also change the receiver light, so you can have this to show battery percentage. You can do polling rate, DPI, or you can do a custom light as well, all that good stuff. On the performance tab, you can change your DPI levels as well as your polling rates, and it will tell you how many hours approximately of battery life you get on each one. You can also change, of course, the liftoff distance. You can enable the competitive mode as well, which will drain more battery. And then you can do angle tuning, angle snapping, ripple reduction, as well as motion sync, all of that PixArt sensor stuff. And then on the final tab here, you can see your firmware version for both the dongle and the mouse. And you can do your firmware updates here as well and adjust your sleep settings. And yeah, just a great looking mouse. In the box, you get the exact same things, except this time you get a white braided USB-C to USB-A cable, and everything else remains the same. So yeah, really beautiful mouse, guys, and top of the line performance out of this mouse. Again, if you want the full dive and technical specs on the shape and everything, I did that all in my original Horus review, which I'll leave in the description for you guys to check out if you're interested. But yeah, man, if you're a fan of themed mice, and especially if you're a fan of Evangelion, this is definitely a no-brainer. You just have to check these out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Beautiful mice. Huge shout out to MelGeek for sending these over for me to check out. All of the relevant links will be in the description below, but that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.